Dave here with Half Dozen Customs. Out here in the shop today on Monday for a little Monte Monday action. It is Christmas, so Merry Christmas to everybody. I'm not going to be out here very long. I got some hand dinner cooking, so I got to go in shortly for that. But I just wanted to come out here and do a little something for Monte Monday. But hopefully soon we will have another GoPro to continue on with our quality videos. But for now, I'm going to switch over to the camcorder, and we're going to do a little grinding on the Monte Carlo. So, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, thanks for joining us, enjoy the video.
Happen. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas, this is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man, lost sight of who I am, but right in front of me was the answer. 'Cause on Christmas I feel joy, and I turn back to a boy. The answer is to stay young forever. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life. I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, 'cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light. Ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on the shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seats as I spread, with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Searching for greatness in a sea of the dying and shameless, a sea of the aimless. I don't wanna be one of the nameless. I'ma wake up with the mindset that one day I'm gonna make it. And I don't think I'll be fine if I don't break my limitations. Don't try to stop me, I exist to write my own story. I'll make a decision if I want some peace or if I want the glory. Yeah, don't want a life that is complacent or possibly boring. I just want a life that is worth every day exploring. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Appreciate all that is vacant. It's just for the taking. If you make up your mind, you can take it. I'm never complacent. I would work in a mansion or basement. Yeah, there's no replacement for persistence. It's a patience. Yeah, in this life, I wanna be soaring, to feel sun inside when it's pouring. And I'll fight till anxiety is foreign. I'm so sick of my mind's extortion. My whole life I just wanted someone who would notice me. My whole life I just wanted to be somebody to be. Yeah, I just wanna be great. 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 Yeah, I just wanna be great.
Okay, so we got it all welded in. Super happy with it. I don't know if you guys kind of remember what it was like when I cut it out, but there wasn't a whole lot of that floor bracing, seat bracing attached to the floor anymore, and the floor wasn't attached to the rocker, and like you would sit in the driver's seat And it has one of those arms underneath the seat to like move the seat forward and move the seat backwards. Like you couldn't even move the seat because the whole seat would just rock back and forth because it wasn't attached to anything on the driver's side anymore. So we are fully attached now. Back solid, safe, ready to go again. So I may do some more grinding up in here. Obviously, definitely up in here. I didn't even hit those yet. But I think I need to change over to a smaller pad on my grinder to kind of get in that corner of that trans tunnel area. But I got it all ground down underneath there, and we got it welded up, which is the most important. So, you know, again, I've said this before, you know, it's getting dyno mat put down, it's getting carpet put down. You're never going to see that again. Underneath will get grinded down, cleaned up, rust-proofed, undercoated. Like, it'll look good underneath, which is where it matters the most. So, I know, like, the back floor patches, like, I did go a little crazy on those and ground those down pretty smooth. I don't think it was really necessary. Around the seat belts, I kept chunky. I'm definitely keeping the seat braces chunky. I'm not grinding those down any. Those can stay. I want as much strength as possible. So, but I'm super happy. Looks good. Merry Christmas. We have a seat bracket again. Yay! Whee! Woo! So, very cool. Very happy. So, I did, the other day while I was waiting for a coat of Bondo to dry on the Jeep, I sandblasted those seat brackets, I straightened them out, and I painted the insides of them black. We do have some pictures of it. Maybe I'll insert the pictures of them painted black. But it did get protected, you know, on the inside. We don't have bare metal to bare metal. It is a painted surface down to the bare metal of the floor. I know I did not coat the floor underneath there. I think I did on the other side with rust proofing. I will shoot or inject some stuff in there the best that I can. I don't know why I didn't do it this time. Just didn't think about it till after I was already in the middle of welding it all down, that I didn't protect the floor. But it'll get protected. I'll do some kind of protection on it, so I'm happy with it. Cool. Merry Christmas, everybody. I'm out. Oops.